This will be indeed the golden age of America. It's coming back, and we're going to come back very strongly.
The hype of President Donald Trump's Liberation Day,
we're going to charge them 46% tariff,
has given way to the reality that his universal reciprocal tariffs are on shaky ground. Declared illegal by the U.S. Court of International Trade, then reinstated, pending further court decisions after the White House challenged the ruling.
There is a troubling and dangerous trend of unelected judges inserting themselves into the presidential decision-making process.
The trade court had ruled Trump overstepped his authority when he unilaterally imposed tariffs under the guise of a national security threat. A second federal court agreed, though tariffs on steel, aluminum, and automobiles, including those from Canada, were allowed to remain. Ilya Somin brought the lawsuit.
The real threat to national security here is that the president is massively damaging our economy and poisoning our relationship with allies like Canada by starting this huge trade war.
The White House dismissed the ruling as a mere hiccup and urged the Supreme Court to ultimately take up the case.
And we're going to win on the merits of these cases because we know we are acting within the president's legal and executive authorities.
Until that happens, uncertainty reigns. Countries no longer have an incentive to strike a trade deal they may not need. Businesses don't know what to expect in the long term after weeks of tariff rates changing on the president's whim.
So you can assume that even if we lose, we will do it another way. And I can assure the American people that the Trump tariff agenda is alive, well, healthy, and will be implemented.
Of course, if Trump wanted to keep the tariffs in place without any question, he could simply ask Congress to pass them into law. But given the huge risk to the economy and consumers, it's unlikely he'd find the support to make it happen. Donna?
Jackson, thanks.